So I have several boxes that I need to do some unboxings. So I'm going to do several different videos. But today on my first video is I'm going to do some unboxing of some pops that I ordered from Walmart. During the San Diego Comic-Con, Walmart had a special they were running. They were calling themselves Collector Cons, so you can get pops and different collectibles for good prices. So I like to collect music, different bands, different singers, movies, TV show, pops, stuff. So I saw some pops from a show that I enjoyed from the late 80s and early 90s. So we're going to open that and see what we have, okay? Whew. All right. All right. We got the first box. Kramer. Kramer, okay. A couple months ago, I had gotten the mystery grill. So I did an unboxing and I had Newman in it. So I said, oh, let me see if I can find some of the Seinfeld characters and get them. So I got good prices at the through Walmart. So I went ahead and ordered some. So I got Kramer. Let's see what's my next one. Open the smaller bag here. Okay. What we got? Uh-oh. They really messed this one up. Oh my God. Look at this. George. Oh, this box is really smushed and damaged. Might have to send this one back. I don't think I'm going to take it out of this plastic. It would be George, huh? Oh, we'll see what happens with Jerry and Elaine. Oh no, I don't like what I see here. Oh my God. Jerry in his puffy shirt. But the box is, as you can see, is severely damaged. Oh no. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I should have known it was going to be bad when it arrived in this bag instead of boxes. Might as well take Jerry out. The box already messed up here. Jerry in his puffy shirt. Oh, this was a very hilarious episode, but I guess my box being damaged is not hilarious, but the show was. Alrighty. I'll leave that. I'll put that back in the box later. And Elaine. Oh no. Elaine's sombrero. So this episode, I believe, is when Peterman was missing. So she went ahead and took over for the catalog. And she had the idea of this sombrero hat. So oh, look at this. It's very top heavy. This is heavy. But I can't believe that it was damaged like that. Oh. So, well, let me know what you thought about this unboxing. And like I said, I think these are going to go back, even though I got a great deal on them. I don't know. But don't forget to hit the like button, the notification, to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye now.